Up in the spot like a spotlight. Hit the block like a hammer chasing knots. Like it'll disappear if I don't get my pockets right. You ain't gotta be a fan, my AC is nice. Let me do what I be doing, black. I ain't playing, I be on it, I get to it, black. Never stationary, bars stay in motion. They be like, hey Tony, oh you slick. Your middle name Lotion, your middle name Potion. You be so focused, we be rooting for you, dog, so just go forward.
When this knife first came out and I saw all the advertisements for it, I thought to myself, this is the knife I've been waiting for. The colors, the blade style, it was an OTF, it was just perfect. Then I held one a day before the one I ordered arrived in the mail. My very first impression was disappointment because of how light it is. It just felt so cheap to me. After playing with the action a few times, I almost didn't want it anymore just because of how light and cheap it felt. I just couldn't get over it. So I decided to do a little bit of research to see if there was anyone else who felt the same way, but got over it because of the quality of the knife. And I saw torture videos of grown men bridge walking this thing, throwing it 20 feet in the air onto concrete, running it over, and I realized plastic has its place. The actual material that Benchmade used is exclusive to Benchmade products, and it's called CF Elite, which is a carbon fiber reinforced nylon. It's about 50% stiffer and 17% lighter than traditional fiberglass based polymers. This allows the handle to be thinner and contain less material, but it'll perform just as good or better than regular glass filled polymer handles. Personally, I wish this thing had some weight to it because that's just what I prefer. Whenever I hold it, I just can't stop thinking about how cheap it feels, but I know how high quality the handle is, and really from what I've seen so far, it's indestructible. So that does make it worth it to me. But then I see the blade and it makes everything better. The blade is made from CPM CRUWEAR steel. I really didn't know anything about this steel, so I read an article and I'll link it below, but basically it's one of the best steels that's well balanced, offers optimal performance in terms of wear resistance, it has great toughness, and it has a high Rockwell hardness. The coating they use on top of the already high quality steel is a flat dark earth PVD, which is just a physical vapor deposition coating. This is basically an additional layer of hardness and durability, making the blade ridiculously tough. Basically, Benchmade made an insanely light beast of a knife that you'll put in your pocket and you won't even know it's there. My final thoughts are, for me, this would have been the perfect knife if it was heavier. And that's just my opinion. In my brain, I equate heaviness with quality, and I know it's something I need to break because that's not always the case, especially here, but maybe this will be the knife to help me get over it. I'm going to start using it as my new everyday carry, and maybe it'll become the perfect knife for me. I've only had it a couple hours and I'm already starting to like it more. But overall, I bought it for the blade and its automatic function, and those two things are perfect. New EDC video coming soon. I'll see you in the next one.